In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import credit card transactions into QuickBooks Online. If you want to keep your bookkeeping current and make reconciling your accounts much easier, importing your credit card activity into QuickBooks Online is a great place to start. The good news is that QuickBooks gives you two simple ways to do this, by connecting your credit card account directly or by manually uploading a transaction file. I'll walk you through both methods so you can choose the one that works best for you. To begin, go to the left-hand menu in QuickBooks Online and click Accounting. From there, select Bank Transactions. This is the area where QuickBooks gathers and organizes imported banking and credit card activity, so this is where you'll manage everything related to transaction imports. Once you're on the Bank Transactions screen, look to the top right and click Link Account. This option lets you connect a credit card account directly to QuickBooks, so your transactions can sync automatically. After clicking it, choose the credit card bank you want to connect. QuickBooks will guide you through that bank's setup process, and the exact screens may vary depending on the financial institution. As you move through the setup, simply follow the instructions provided on screen. In most cases, you'll be asked to sign into your credit card account and approve the connection. Once that setup is complete, return to your bank transactions list, and your connected credit card account should appear there with synced transactions ready for review. This is usually the most convenient option because it can save time and reduce manual work going forward. If you'd rather import transactions manually, QuickBooks also gives you that option. On the same bank transactions page, go to the top right and click the small caret icon next to the Link Account button. From the menu that appears, select Upload File. Then import your credit card transactions file there. This is especially useful if your bank isn't available for direct connection, or if you prefer to work with downloaded files from your credit card provider. After the file is uploaded, QuickBooks will bring those transactions into your bank transactions area so you can review and categorize them. Just make sure you're uploading the correct credit card file for the account you want to work with, so your records stay accurate and organized, and that's all it takes to import credit card transactions into QuickBooks Online. Once your transactions are in, you'll be ready to review, categorize, and keep your books up to date with much less effort.